Many people keep asking me for tips. Many of my friends who know that I am an investor and I am into trading, they always keep asking me tips. Some of them ask me investing tips. They generally want to know which is next multi-bagger stock, or those who trade they want some trading tips from me. Just which position I should take and all that. But generally I avoid keeping avoid giving these tips generally. But today I have decided that I will give a best tip to everybody, so not just my friends, but through a public video I will give best tip for traders. Okay, and this is going to be best tip in your life you receive about trading. Now see what happens. Earlier, to some of my friends, I gave tips. I gave them stock names in which I am invested and told them that this is a good stock. You can invest in this stock. But still, do you think they have made money in these stocks? No, they did not, because they can listen from me. Means if I tell them that this stock is good, they will take this as a tip. But the conviction needed to stay invested in that stock, from where they will bring this conviction? This conviction you can't borrow, or you cannot buy it anywhere. You have to develop this conviction from inside. This conviction comes from only two things. First thing is, either you should have 100% trust on the person who is giving you tip, that okay, if he gave me tip, it is the stock is definitely go up, will definitely 100% go up. That is first conviction, means you trust the person 100%. And second, conviction comes from knowledge and experience. Okay, it is generally true for conviction. In trading, conviction comes from knowledge, experience, creation of a trading system, and backtesting it to know that it worked in the past. So these things bring conviction. So we are not discussing conviction here, but these two sorry, but the conviction is very important for anybody to stay in the stock. And they can take tip from somebody, from me, but they won't have the conviction. If I told them that okay, this stock is good, suppose it went up, they bought it, it went up 10% and then started correcting and came down 7%, they will be out of that stock, they will sell it out. Okay, this is first thing. Second important thing is, see, I can give tip, I can tell that buy this stock, but when my perception about this stock change, or when my exit criteria satisfies, I'll be out of this investment. And that time I even won't remember that I told somebody to buy that stock. Then there is no question of me calling this person and asking him to exit, because I even won't remember after 3-4 years that I told somebody else also to buy this stock. This is true for investing. Okay, another thing is, if I give trading tip, if I tell that okay, take this trading position, I am not teaching him my system, right? How its stop loss should work, what is my exit criteria. I have multiple conditions based on which I exit my trades. And if I give such trades to them, if the trade has potential to earn 25,000, even if they earn 1,000 to 2,000 rupees, they will exit. And suppose for this trade, my stop loss is 10,000. Even if they go in 4-5,000 loss, they will call me 10 times, because you cannot bring the conviction if it is not your system and you took the trade by listening somebody else. Okay, why I am telling you all this? Because I am going to give a best tip which will follow. You should first have this background that what is taking tip. Okay, now there are many tips provided in market, and those are big frauds. 95% of tips in industries is fraud. I will create a separate video about how tip providers trick you. They earn fees money from you, but you lose your fees money. But worst thing is you lose your capital also by trading their tips. That is different subject. I will create a video on that topic sometime else. But now if you cannot have conviction, and if you get half of the system, you just get entry, and I won't tell you when to exit, right? Then how you will trade or how you will invest? Let's talk only about trading. Now, if you want to earn good money in trading, you have to learn. And basically, you need to learn two things. First is technical analysis, and second is trading psychology. Technical analysis teaches you about how to create your directional bias and how to enter the trade, and then other aspects like risk management, money management, everything. And you should know trading psychology, because even if you know technical analysis, you enter a trade, you have emotions, and the most important and powerful emotions are fear and greed. And most of the traders make mistakes because of fear and greed. And if you want to avoid these mistakes, you should be learning trading psychology, and you have to implement it in your trading process. Okay, so two things: technical analysis and trading psychology. Once you are comfortable with these, later you can learn options theory and option strategies. That definitely helps. But in initial days, if you don't know options theory or option strategies, it's fine. Based on just technical analysis and trading psychology, you can trade. Now, here comes the most important advice. Okay, when you learn technical analysis and trading psychology, you have to create your own trading system. So you have to define your entry rules, exit rules, how you will be trading, in which time frame you are going to trade, which chart you will use, means which time frame chart you will use. You will trade in 1 hour or 1 day chart, or whatever, 5 minutes charts also if you are intraday trader. In initial days, I don't suggest that. Okay, so you have to create a your own trading system, but how you can trust this system? How you know that this system will really make money for you? For that, you have to test it on last 10 years of data. Open a chart. Suppose it's a trading system which works on which you created for 1 hour chart. Go back to 10 years and start manually checking that when this system gave you entry signal, what was your stop loss, then what happened to that trade. So one by one candle, move ahead and see whenever you got entry and what was the outcome of that trade, and you have to log it, everything. This process is called backtesting. Once you do backtesting, you know that how many trades the system generated, how many were profitable, what was profit, how many were loss making, what was your average loss, and then based on this historical performance, you can conclude that this system is profitable or not. Even you know that what were your returns year on year and all that things. If your system's performance is good on various parameters, you have to check what all parameters, performance parameters, and there are very less drawdowns. Drawdowns are maximum losses. I won't go into details now, but once you know that your trading system is perfect and it works, it gives you consistent return, then you should start trading your system. Take trades based on your system rules and do it with discipline. Do it with 100% discipline. And mark my words, this is going to be a best tip you will ever receive about trading. Learn, create your trading system and trade it with discipline, and you will be profitable. Do it and then message me after 5 years or 10 years, or call me after 5 years or 10 years, and you will thank me for this advice. So that is the best tip, and that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye for now.